Hello, learners. The ocean is a home to a variety of mysterious and unusual looking creatures. As the humans ventures deeper into the ocean, more and more of them are spotted. In this video, we have come up with some of these amazing and interesting underwater creatures that you have never seen before. Blobfish. The blobfish is a deep sea marine creature discovered in 2003 and living off the southeastern coast of mainland Australia and Tasmania and New Zealand waters. With large black eyes, a large mouth, and a bulbous nose, the blobfish features a spherical head that makes up 40% of its body mass. Unlike many other fish species, the blobfish doesn't have scales. Instead, they have loose, flabby skin. According to marine researchers, there are only 420 blobfish left in the world's oceans. This bizarre looking pink creature doesn't bite because it has no teeth, so it poses no threat to humans. With its extremely acidic flesh and gelatinous body, the blobfish is not edible. Bloody belly comb jelly. The bloody belly comb jelly is a newly discovered animal that lives in the deep ocean. Its body glows deep red, but because of the lack of light in the deep ocean, it appears nearly invisible to its predators and prey both. This species is found throughout the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Comb jellies are not true jellyfish despite their resemblance to these creatures. All comb jellies have 8 rows of tiny hairs-like structures called cilia, which beat continuously, propelling the animal through the water. When light strikes, these moving cilia diffracts and produces a shimmering rainbow of colors. Barrel eye fish. The barrel eye fish, one of the weirdest fish in the world, lives at a depth of up to 1 kilometer throughout the northern Pacific Ocean. This strange looking fish is well known for its amazing eyes, two large green tubes or barrels that naturally rest looking upwards, which they can also rotate to see their meal. This fish also features a translucent dome-like forehead and two dark circles that are in fact barrel eyes nostrils. Barrel eye fish are equipped with special features and it includes its glowing green eyes that help them to see in the dark. Pink see-through fantasia. Pink see-through fantasia is an incredible creature that was only discovered in 2007 and usually seen about 2500 meter deep in the Celebes Sea in the Western Pacific Ocean. It has a completely transparent body that reveals its entire digestive system, including intestine, mouth, and anus, entirely visible from its outside. They swim using the finger-like webbing under their bodies and feed by filtering nutrients from sediments on the bottom. Like other light-emitting creatures, pink see-through fantasia also has an ability to emit light. It uses this effect as an alarm to expose itself and potential predators in times of an attack. Axolotl. The axolotl is an aquatic salamander, that is, they are small lizard-like animals with long tail and small feet and spend whole life underwater. The axolotl is found only in Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City, Mexico. Axolotl is also known as Mexican salamander and the Mexican walking fish. Axolotls have the unique ability to regenerate or regrow injured or missing limbs and any part of the body, including brain. The International Union for Conservation of Nature lists the axolotl as critically endangered. White margin stargazer. White margin stargazer is a fish widespread in the Indo-Pacific. This creature is typically found buried in sand or mud with only their eyes showing. As a classic ambush predators, they wait buried under the sand for their prey to swim overhead. The stargazer have a fishing lure in their mouths which looks like yummy worm and catches the attention of their victim. The stargazer then blasts out of the sand, making a meal of small fishes. Stargazer also possess electric organs located in a specialized pouch behind the eyes and can discharge up to 50 volts of electric shocks to its prey. Christmas tree worm. Christmas tree worm is the marine worm that lives on tropical coral reefs around the world. The common name for these worms is derived from their appearance. Each worm has two brightly colored crowns that is coming out from its tube-like body. These Christmas tree-like crowns are composed of hair or feather-like tentacles emerging from worm's central spine, which helps them in respiration and to catch dinner. While the colorful crowns of these worms are visible, most of their bodies are anchored in burrows that they bore into live coral. When they feel threatened, Christmas tree worms hide in their burrows to protect themselves from would-be predators. Sea angel. A sea angel is a type of swimming snail that are found worldwide in cold and mild temperature waters. Sea angels have a small, transparent, and gelatinous body and do not have a shell. The rhythmic flapping of its wing propel the sea angel through the open ocean and give its appearance of flying. While the graceful movements of this swimming snail makes it look like an angel, it is really a prowling predator. The sea angel pushes out finger-like tentacles from its head to capture its prey. Red-lipped batfish. Red-lipped batfish is a strange-looking fish with a length of about 8 inches and a weight usually less than 2 pounds. Its lips are deep vivid red, as if it had put on too much lipstick. The red-lipped batfish is found only in the Galapagos Islands. It preys on a variety of marine animals, including shrimp, crabs, smaller fish, and marine worms. Their flat brownish-gray body allow them to blend well with the ocean floor debris. This makes it easier for them to hide from large sea creatures and avoid danger. Despite being a fish, red-lipped batfish does not swim well and instead walks across the ocean with their modified fins that serve as its leg. Despite its weird look, the red-lipped batfish is harmless to humans. Handfishes. True to their name, the handfishes are a family of fishes that walk with their oversized hands rather than swim. There are only 14 handfish species in total, all of which are found only in southern Australia, predominantly in Tasmania. The spotted, red, and zebras handfish are critically endangered and are faced with increasing level of habitat destruction and loss, pollution, and changing climate. Leaf sheep. Leaf sheep or leaf slug is the only sea creature in the world that can perform photosynthesis like plants. The leaf sheep simply a grazer of algae and sucks on so much of it that it can photosynthesize. By incorporating the chloroplasts of its favorite food into its own body, these cute little creatures develop the means of harvesting energy from sunlight. Leaf sheep also keep themselves safe from predators by becoming camouflaged against the green algae carpeted seafloor. Pufferfish. As the name suggests, pufferfish can inflate themselves into a ball shape to evade predators. Also known as blowfish, these clumsy swimmers fill their elastic stomachs with huge amounts of water or air and blow themselves to several times their normal size. Some pufferfish species also have spines on their skin to prevent themselves from predators and are known as porcupine fish. Even if a predator tries to eat up a pufferfish before it inflates, it won't enjoy because most pufferfish contain a toxic substance that makes them foul tasting and potentially deadly to other fish and also to humans. Sea bunnies. These miniature furry friends hopping around the oceans are not bunnies, but they are actually slugs. Sea bunnies are so small in size that it easily fits on one's fingertip. Predators stay away from these little creatures as they are very toxic. They cleverly absorb toxins from the creatures they feed on and use them against predators. They are found in the places like Philippines, Tanzania, Australia and live only for a few months to a year. Gulper eel. Equipped with large scoop-like jaw, this fish has an ability to expand its throat and stomach to accommodate fish. When it encounters prey, this fish blows up its mouth to impressive dimensions. Despite the fearsome size of its mouth, gulper eel isn't an athletic hunter. It has extremely small eyes compared to other deep-sea creatures, so it can't rely on sight to locate prey. Instead, it lures its prey with a pink light on its rear fins. Goblin sharks. Goblin sharks are a species of fish that usually live at the bottom of the ocean. These pink animals can grow 12 feet long and weigh up to 460 pounds, that is 200 kilograms. They have narrow snouts and fang-like teeth. A goblin shark's top and bottom teeth are attached to skin tissues tucked into its mouth. When the prey is just out of reach, the shark extends the elastic tissue out of the mouth to grab the prey. Sea pig. Sea pigs are sea creatures with pinkish skin and fat body, just like a regular pig's body. The sea pig is a rare animal and a scavenger that prefers to feast on dead animals. Sea pigs don't swim, rather they walk along the ocean floor via their tube-like legs. The two antennae on their head are actually legs as well, which are used to detect food. Sea pigs have poisonous skin that not only tastes bad but can also kill a predator. Sea pen. Sea pen are fascinating and unique creatures that are generally found in deep sea and are named for their resemblance to old-fashioned quill pens. The sea pen's body is anchored to the ocean floor and a long slender stalk rises from this base, ending in a delicate feathery structure. Sea pens comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from just a few centimeters in length to over a meter long. Sea pen has an ability to produce light through a chemical reaction, and this ability is thought to be used for attracting prey or for communication with other sea pen. I hope you liked the video. For more informational content, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.